In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer money on Google Pay to someone not having Google Pay. If the person you're paying doesn't use the app, don't worry. You can still send funds safely. Google Pay lets you move money directly to a bank account, or you can move your Google Pay balance to your own bank and complete the payment through your usual banking method. I'll walk you through both step by step so you can choose the option that works best for you. First, the direct route from Google Pay. Open Google Pay and go to the Pay section. Look for the bank transfer or account number option. This is designed for paying people who aren't on Google Pay. When you select it, you'll be asked for the recipient's banking details, such as their account number and any region-specific information their bank requires. Take your time here, double-check the account number and the recipient's name exactly as it appears with their bank. Enter the amount, review the summary carefully, and confirm the transfer. This method keeps everything within Google Pay and sends the money straight to their bank. Now, if you prefer to first move funds from your Google Pay balance to your own bank account, you can do that from a browser. On your computer or phone, go to wallet.google.com and sign in with the Google account you use for Google Pay. Once you're in, open payment methods. From there, select Money in Google Pay to view your available balance and related actions. Choose Transfer Out to start moving funds to your bank. Enter the amount of money you want to transfer. Pick the verified bank account you want the funds sent to. If it's already verified, you'll see it listed. Finally, click Transfer Out to confirm. Transfers can be instant or may take a few business days depending on your region and bank. Keep an eye out for any fees or limits that might apply, and make sure your bank details are up to date before confirming. A few tips to keep your transfer smooth and secure. Always verify the recipient's information before you send. Even a small typo can route funds incorrectly. If you're sending a large amount, consider sending a small test transfer first. Save a copy of the confirmation screen or email for your records. And if something doesn't look right, pause and contact support before proceeding. That's it. Either use bank transfer or account number in Google Pay to send directly, or transfer out to move your balance to your bank first. With these steps, you can confidently pay someone even if they don't use Google Pay.